All right, I understand. Wow. By the way, Mr. Jeff, can you
Mm.
see me?
No, I cannot see you.
Yes, because there's like there was a problem with my camera
Uh-huh.
today, but yes, I'm already
Yeah.
having it checked.
Yeah, okay. It's okay, but
All
I
right.
hope I can see you tomorrow.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, anyhow, while they're checking, yes, let's move on.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah, actually, the past, what is that? Past Monday and Tuesday, I was able to sleep well.
Mm-hmm.
I actually slept 7:30, so that's amazing. But
7:30?
yes, 7:30 p.m.
Did you went to bed? Did you go to bed at 7:30?
Yes, last
Wow.
Monday and Tuesday. That's actually not my normal or regular sleep,
Oh.
but I don't know. Surprisingly, I was able to sleep at that time. But yesterday, I slept almost 12. Yeah,
When do you usually get up in the morning?
3 a.m.
Oh, I think so. Yeah. So you just slept for like 3 hours today?
Yeah, something like that.
Wow.
I can't understand my sleep. It's not regular.
Yeah.
Yes.
I
All right.
I hope
Mm-mm.
you can sleep earlier than usual.
Yeah, me too. That's actually part of my resolution. Like I'm gonna sleep early. I'm not
Oh,
gonna.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna abuse my body this 2019, like that.
2019.
All right.
Mhm.
Mhm. Okay, so let's proceed to our textbook.
Mhm. Yeah.
We're already in lesson 7, page 61.
61. Yeah.
Yep, the skip counting. So
Mhm.
we already started with twos, by twos, by fives,
By
and by tens.
by test. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
There. So yes, we have the mini quiz. Mind reading the instruction first.
Okay. Carl wants to count the birds. He wants to count in the fastest way.
Mm-hmm.
So, one, two, three, four, five, six. So I think it's six, five.
By
so so
mm-hmm.
30, 30, 30 birds.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
So by five.
yeah, by five. Yeah,
All right. Okay. So
there are 30 birds in the
mm-hmm.
picture.
Yes. And the faster way to count is
Yeah, which is your faster way to count by fives?
all right. So the faster way to count is by fives.
Yeah,
Yes. All
fives.
right. Let's move on to the next one. Kindly read.
Skip count by twos.
Mm-hmm.
Fill in the boxes with the correct numbers to complete the series.
Mm-mm.
16, 18, 20, 22, 20, 24, 26, 28, and 30.
Mm-hmm.
62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76.
Mm-hmm. All right. Yes. Okay. So next one.
Skip count by fives. fill in the boxes with the correct numbers to complete the series. 54, 60, 64, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90,
Mhm.
20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55.
All right. Okay, and the last one?
Tina had 8 baskets of apples. Each basket has 10 apples in it.
Mhm.
Skip count by 10 to know how many apples Tina has.
All right.
Okay. 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80.
All
So,
right.
so Tina has 80 apples.
All right. Okay, so that's
Hmm.
very nice. And let's move on to the next one.
Okay. Phyllis, can can pronounce it? Phyllis?
Phyllis. Yes.
Phyllis is learning how to skip count by fives.
Mhm.
She fills the first jar with 5 marbles. How many marbles should she put inside the next three jars?
Yes.
Hmm, okay. If she fills the first jar, hmm?
Mhm. So how many marbles are there?
So there are 19 marbles
Mhm.
on the table.
Mhm. So how many should she put on the next three jars?
I don't know. I don't know what it means actually.
Ah. So draw how many marbles she should put inside the next three jars to complete the series of numbers. So if you said that there are like 19 marbles on the table,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
uh-huh, so you're gonna put five in here, five
Mm, mm,
marbles,
mm-hmm.
five in here. What happened? Ah, yes, there.
Oh. Where will we see?
Hmm? Oh, what? The textbook is moving.
Okay.
Oh, there. Ah, yeah. All right. So in here, Phyllis is learning how to skip count by fives. So she fills the first jar with five marbles.
Yeah, 5 marbles.
So since she's learning how to skip count, she's
Mm-hmm.
gonna put another five in another jar,
Yeah, five.
and five in another jar,
Yeah,
and five in another jar,
yeah,
which gives her four ones,
yeah.
right?
For one.
Yes, but Uh, she's only counting by fives.
Yeah.
Yes. Mhm.
So she will
So,
get 5 marbles left,
uh-huh.
right?
Yes, and actually this is a series of numbers.
Mm-hmm.
So
So
she's gonna put.
she
Mm-mm.
sh- sh- uh, she should put five marbles inside the next jar?
There's no significance of the marbles in the what is that? In the table on the table. The marbles on the table there is actually no significance. So she's counting by fives.
Mm-hmm.
So five, and then the next jar she would put 10 marbles, and then the next one 15 marbles, and the fourth one 20 marbles. It's a series of numbers. Mhm.
Uh,
Yes.
uh, it doesn't matter how many marbles I can see in the picture.
Yes.
Just second jar, she puts inside 10 marbles, right?
Yes.
Okay, got it.
All right. Yeah. So when you see the series of numbers, it means to say it has progress, right? Series of numbers, the continuation of numbers. So that's what it means.
Yeah,
Like 5, 10, 15,
yeah.
20 onwards.
5, 10, 15, 20.
Yes, those are series of words. Hmm. Okay, so that's it. Wow. So yeah, do you have any questions regarding lesson 7?
No,
No.
I think
All
it's
right.
fine.
It's fine. Yes. So let's move on to lesson 8, the estimation.
Hmm.
Do you know what estimation means?
Estimation, average. I think
Hmm?
I know. What is the
It's
estimation?
estimation is like guessing.
Guessing.
Yes, guessing the number
Ah.
just by the looks of it. For
Uh,
example, the candies here.
uh-huh.
Like you can't really tell how many candies you can see
Uh-huh.
per plate. So, can you estimate how many gummy worms
Gummy
there
gums.
are?
Yeah.
So, perhaps it's about 100 or 1,000. So,
Mm-hmm.
guessing the number by its looks.
Uh-huh. It looks.
Yes. All right. Okay,
Okay.
so there.
Mm-hmm.
Kindly read.
Estimation is guessing how many things we see. In
Hmm.
estimation, you don't have to get the correct number.
Yes.
You just have to get the number close to it.
Mhm. Exactly. All
Okay.
right. So let's look below. Please read.
There are 10 books in this stack.
Mhm.
How many books do you think there are on this stack?
Yes.
So there are two stacks, so I think it's 20 books. There are 20
Yes.
books.
Mhm. There are 20 books. All right. So it doesn't necessarily mean that you need to count it, but you just have to guess by the way it looks, right? So let's
Yeah.
move on to the last paragraph.
Mm-hmm. Our next paragraph.
Oh, yeah. So if we look at the first
Yeah, the first
one, we
one.
would think, mm-hmm.
If you will look at the first stack of books,
Uh-huh.
we can say that there are about 20 books in the other stack of books.
Exactly. All right. And yes, there are examples. Encircle the correct answer.
In circle.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. In here, so just kindly tell me how
Uh,
many ducks are in the pond. Ah, yeah, it's right there. Hmm.
I'm sorry. It's right there.
Yes, in the examples, kindly read.
Uh huh. Okay. I cannot encircle, so
Mm, ah,
okay.
So yeah, so it's
There are five dogs on the left,
mm-mm,
and then I think 15 dogs on on the right.
yes. All right. So how did you say that it's 15?
Mm, I counted by fives.
Ah, you counted by fives.
Yeah.
All right. So if you estimated, if you estimate it, it will be two less for 30.
I'm, s- I'm sorry?
Uh, it would be two less
Two
for
less?
30. Yes, too few for 30. Yes, like small number of ducks
Mm-hmm.
for 30. All right. So I think it will be 15. How about the next one? Estimate the number of musical notes.
Uh, is 10 musical notes and wow,
Hmm?
30? 30.
Yes.
Yeah, I think there are 30 musical notes. But
Yes. Because like we
yeah,
already have the clue,
yeah, yeah.
right? Yes. On the
Mm-hmm.
above picture, it
Mm-hmm.
has 10 musical notes.
Mm-hmm.
So below there are 10 there are three 10 musical notes,
Yeah,
right? So it gives
three
you 30.
tens. Three
Yeah,
tens.
three tens. Yes. It's related.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
So there. How about the next one?
10 brooms.
Yes.
And I think 40. No, 50. Oh, wow.
50. So
I didn't
there.
know that.
Mm,
This is 50 brooms.
yes. So if you estimate the number of brooms by looking at the first picture, this is about 50 brooms because it's too few for 100, right?
20
And
is
too.
too
Mm,
few and 100 is too many, right?
yeah, it is too few for 100. If it's 100, it's
Uh huh.
few.
Yeah.
Yes. If it's 20, it's too many,
Yeah.
right?
Right. Right. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's too many for 20 and it's
Yeah.
too few for 100. So it
Ah.
is probably 50.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. So the next one.
10 strawberries in a bottle.
Mhm.
Estimate
Bowl.
a bowl. Uh huh.
Yes.
10 strawberries in a bowl.
Mhm.
Estimate how many strawberries are in this bowl.
Mhm.
Absolutely 20.
Yeah,
There are
absolutely.
20 strawberries in this bowl.
Yes. Mhm. Because by looking at the picture, 10
Mm.
bowl. Yes.
Yeah.
You. Mhm.
Yeah. I
All
wish
right.
I could eat these strawberries.
Strawberry. Really?
Yeah.
But
I'm
you.
very
Mm.
hungry.
But you can't have it now. I think in Korea because it's winter. Is that right?
Yeah, maybe this is the season that we can try strawberries.
Ah, really?
Yeah, we can usually have strawberries in the winter season,
Uh-huh.
maybe January and February.
Mm-mm. Wow. Right,
But
because Baguio City is also known for strawberries.
oh, really?
Yeah. Mm-mm. All right, because it's the only what is that? The coldest place in the Philippines. So,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, we can actually breed strawberry here. All right. So let's move on to the next one. Kindly read.
Okay. Carl said he ate three two candies at a party.
Mhm.
He asked Ella, Marvin, and Jackie to estimate how many candies he ate.
Mhm.
Who has the closest estimate?
Mhm.
Marvin was. I mean, Marvin is the one who was close.
Yeah. So Marvin has the closest estimate,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, closest
Yes.
estimate. Yeah.
Mhm. So it's like we had a game uh last what is it? Last Christmas. We had a game last Christmas,
Uh
and it is estimating the number of 1 peso coin
huh.
in an aquarium. It's like
Yeah.
a fishing bowl. Yeah, not really an
Yeah.
aquarium, a
Yeah.
fishing bowl. Yes, and the closest estimation will
Mhm.
be the winner, of course.
Mhm.
So yeah, my mom had the closest
Mhm.
estimation, so she got 1,000 pesos.
Yeah. Actually, we have is this type of drinking game.
Really?
Yeah. And what one person think uh, a number from 0 to 10 in
Mm-mm.
mind, and then others can guess what's the number, and then
Mm-mm.
uh, first 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 person, I think, other other first person says the number first, and then the right say the host. I mean,
Mm-mm.
the he said he he should said it's up or it's down or something,
Mm-mm.
and then yeah, that's how.
Uh-huh.
And then a person gets gets it right, and other
Mm-mm.
people should drink.
Ah, okay. Got it. It's like a guessing game, right?
Yeah, it's kind of guessing game,
Yeah. Yeah.
right?
All right. Okay. Those kinds of games are full of surprises. All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the next one.
And circle the correct answer.
Mm.
Answer. This jar has 10 gumballs.
Mhm.
How many gumballs do you think are in this jar? I think it's 20.
Yes. It's definitely
Yeah.
beat. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. And the next one.
How many gumballs do you think are in this jar?
Mhm.
I think there are 50 gumballs
Yes.
in this jar.
Uh-huh. There's about 50.
That's how.
Mhm.
Okay.
All right. The next one.
This bundle had 5 sticks.
Mhm.
How many sticks do you think are in this bundle?
Mhm.
Tw- Maybe 20?
20? Right. Yes, it's 20. Yeah.
I thought I got wrong.
Yeah, I was actually thinking of a different number.
Uh-huh.
I didn't, yeah, see the 5 sticks.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yes, it's 20. And
Okay.
then how do you think the other one?
How many sticks do you think are in this bundle?
Mhm.
I think it's double of second question. 40? 40?
Yes, 40. Uh-huh. All right. So,
Mm-hmm.
yep, correct. So that's estimation. Like you don't necessarily have to. Yes, know the exact number by
Mm-hmm.
counting, but you just look at the first picture and you should have a wide imagination.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And is it all right if we continue page 17, our next class?
Okay.
Yes, since yeah, we are running out of time, so
Uh-huh. Yeah.
uh
Oh, time
yeah.
flies. I didn't know that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So I'll call you again, Mr. Jeff, next time, and I hope my camera is already on.
Okay, I hope so too. See you
All right.
tomorrow.
Yeah.